Welcome to Networks Professional, the Cisco Networking Academy. The terms tactics, techniques, and procedures refer to the patterns of activities and methods associated with specific threat actors or groups of threat actors. TTPs are helpful in analyzing threats and profiling threat actors and can further be used to strengthen the security infrastructure of an organization. Adversary behavioral identification involves the identification of the common methods or techniques followed by an adversary to launch attacks to penetrate an organization's network. It gives security professionals insight into upcoming threats and exploits. It helps them plan network security infrastructure and adapt a range of security procedures as prevention against various cyber attacks. Indicators of compromise, IOCs. Cyber threats are continuously evolving with the newer TTPs adapted based on the vulnerabilities of the target organization. Security professionals must perform continuous monitoring of IOCs to effectively and efficiently detect and respond to evolving cyber threats. Categories of indicators of compromise. The cybersecurity professionals must have proper knowledge about various possible threat actors and their tactics related to cyber threats, mostly called indicators of compromise, IOCs. This understanding of IOCs helps security professionals quickly detect the threats entering the organization and protect the organization from evolving threats. For this purpose, IOCs are divided into 4 categories. Email indicators. Attackers usually prefer email services to send malicious data to the target organization or individual. Such socially engineered emails are preferred due to their ease of use and comparative anonymity. Examples of email indicators include the sender's email address, email subject, and attachments or links. Network indicators. Network indicators are useful for command and control, malware delivery, and identifying details about the operating system, browser type, and other computer specific information. Examples of network indicators include URLs, domain names, and IP addresses. Host-based indicators. Host-based indicators are found by performing an analysis of the infected system within the organizational network. Examples of host-based indicators include file names, file hashes, registry keys, DLLs, and mutex. Behavioral indicators. Generally, typical IOCs are useful for identifying indications of intrusion, such as malicious IP addresses, virus signatures, MD5 hash, and domain names. Behavioral IOCs are used to identify specific behavior related to malicious activities such as code injection into the memory or running the scripts of an application.
Thanks for watching Networks Professionals.